The versatility of wooden stools offers a unique opportunity for artisans to build successful businesses that celebrate the beauty of craftsmanship and the significance of handmade artistry. Wooden stools are not merely functional pieces of furniture. They embody a blend of utility, aesthetic appeal, and personal expression. This multifaceted nature makes them an ideal canvas for artisans looking to create distinctive products that resonate with consumers. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden stool design ideas for home decor or income generation. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. At the heart of the appeal of wooden stools is their inherent practicality. Stools serve a variety of purposes across different settings, be it in homes, cafes, or workshops. They can be used as extra seating, side tables, or even decorative accents, making them a valuable addition to any space. This multifunctionality allows artisans to cater to a wide audience, from homeowners seeking stylish decor to business owners in need of functional furnishings. By creating versatile stool designs, artisans can tap into multiple markets, enhancing their potential for business success. Moreover, wooden stools can be crafted in a myriad of styles, accommodating diverse tastes and preferences. The beauty of wood lies in its natural variations. Each piece carries unique grains, textures, and colors that can be highlighted in the design. Artisans can choose to embrace a rustic aesthetic, showcasing the raw beauty of reclaimed wood, or opt for a sleek, modern look that emphasizes clean lines and minimalism. This range of design possibilities allows artisans to express their creativity while appealing to different consumer demographics. The process of creating wooden stools also fosters a deep connection between the artisan and their craft. Each stool can be seen as a labor of love, reflecting the skill and dedication that goes into its making. This hands-on approach not only enhances the quality of the final product, but also imbues it with a sense of authenticity. Consumers are increasingly drawn to handmade items that tell a story, and a well-crafted wooden stool becomes more than just furniture. It transforms into a piece of art that represents the artisan's journey and values. In addition to personal expression, the artistry involved in crafting wooden stools is a significant selling point. Artisans can employ various techniques, such as joinery, carving, or finishing, to create unique designs that stand out in the marketplace. These techniques often require a deep understanding of the material and a commitment to quality, which consumers appreciate. By showcasing their craftsmanship through intricate details or innovative designs, artisans can elevate their products, setting them apart from mass-produced alternatives. The growing interest in sustainable living further enhances the appeal of wooden stools made by artisans. Many consumers today prioritize eco-friendly products and are more inclined to support businesses that align with their values. By sourcing materials responsibly, such as using reclaimed wood or sustainably harvested timber, artisans can emphasize their commitment to environmental stewardship. This focus on sustainability not only attracts environmentally conscious consumers, but also contributes to a broader movement towards responsible consumption. In this way, wooden stools can serve as symbols of a lifestyle that values both beauty and ecological awareness. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Marketing plays a crucial role in the success of businesses that produce wooden stools. Artisans can leverage social media platforms to share their stories, showcase their designs, and connect with potential customers. High-quality images of crafted stools displayed in aesthetically pleasing settings can capture the attention of consumers and inspire them to envision these pieces in their own homes. Engaging content that highlights the craftsmanship behind each stool can foster a deeper appreciation for handmade artistry, encouraging consumers to invest in unique, quality items rather than opting for mass-produced alternatives. Furthermore, the versatility of wooden stools opens up opportunities for collaboration and customization. Artisans can work with interior designers or businesses, creating bespoke pieces that meet specific client needs. Customization options, such as personalized engravings or tailored dimensions, allow consumers to invest in furniture that reflects their individual style and requirements. This level of personalization enhances customer satisfaction and fosters loyalty, as clients feel a deeper connection to pieces that are uniquely theirs. The communal aspect of creating wooden stools cannot be overlooked either. Workshops that focus on teaching the art of stool making can bring together individuals who share a passion for woodworking and design. These gatherings can foster a sense of community and collaboration, where artisans exchange ideas, techniques, and inspiration. Such environments not only enhance individual skills, but also cultivate a culture of craftsmanship that celebrates the importance of handmade artistry. By participating in workshops or community projects, artisans can expand their networks, leading to new opportunities and growth for their businesses. Moreover, the emotional connection that consumers form with handmade wooden stools adds another layer of significance to the artistry involved. In a world dominated by digital interactions and mass production, the tactile experience of owning a handcrafted item brings warmth and authenticity to living spaces. Consumers often seek out pieces that resonate with their values, and a beautifully crafted wooden stool can evoke feelings of nostalgia, comfort, and connection. This emotional resonance encourages consumers to invest in quality craftsmanship, supporting artisans who pour their heart and soul into their work. As artisans continue to innovate and explore new designs, the market for wooden stools will likely evolve in exciting ways. Trends such as multifunctional furniture and space-saving designs offer opportunities for artisans to create stools that serve dual purposes, catering to the needs of modern consumers. By adapting to changing market demands while remaining true to their artistic vision, artisans can ensure the longevity and relevance of their businesses. The versatility of wooden stools presents a significant opportunity for artisans to build successful businesses that celebrate craftsmanship and handmade artistry. Their practicality, aesthetic appeal, and capacity for personal expression make them a compelling choice for both creators and consumers. By focusing on quality, sustainability, and innovative design, artisans can create unique stools that resonate with individuals seeking meaningful, beautifully crafted furniture. As the demand for handmade items continues to grow, wooden stools stand as a testament to the enduring value of artistry, creativity, and connection in a rapidly changing world. Through their work, artisans not only contribute to the beauty of living spaces, but also foster a deeper appreciation for the skill and dedication that define handmade artistry. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden stool design ideas for home decor or income generation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.